Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to remove crypto from your watch list in the Kraken app. If your watch list on Kraken is getting crowded or you added a coin by mistake, you can easily remove it. First of all, launch open Kraken application on your smartphone, or you may also log into Kraken on a web browser. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and once you're in, go ahead and look for the Watchlist tab. Swipe down on Watchlist and select a cryptocurrency you want to delete from your watchlist. Press and hold the crypto and click on Remove from Watchlist from the menu. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the cryptocurrency from your watchlist. Repeat this process and then you'll be able to clear out your watchlist just like that. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.